Hey guys, welcome back for a very special video. I've never shared this before on my channel, but I thought it would be fun to share our favorite Christmas tradition with you. So we are at the Christmas tree farm. We are looking through all of the rows of trees until we find the perfect one. None of them were very tall this year because of a disease that has been in the trees in our area for the last few years, but we did find one that was super full and thick and lush. We've never seen a tree this thick before, and so we just had to have it. We went ahead and had them cut it down for us, and then they do shake off all of the dead needles before they net it and put it on top of our car. We come to this Christmas tree farm every single year. It's our absolute favorite because they have such a good selection. It's so much fun, and the customer service allows it to be fun for us and not stressful. We don't have to worry about anything at all besides just choosing the right tree. So anyway, we are going to get this on top of the car, get it home, and we always set this up in our playroom / family room area. We have had an artificial tree for the last few years, but the live tree is a tradition that we never skip out on. And this is actually the tree that Santa will put all of the presents under and that we will gather around on Christmas morning. We just love it so much. We decorate it with all of our family ornaments that we've collected over the years, colorful lights, and it's just such a fun experience. So I really wanted to share it with you this year. I also thought it was so funny. They had a really hard time fitting it through this tube that nets the trees because of how thick it was. That has never happened before. Usually they just like shoot them right through, but this one, I hope that gives you an idea. It is so full. I can't wait for you guys to see how it turns out in our house. But before we can start decorating it, I did need to do some cleaning and rearranging some furniture in the playroom, so we are going to start with that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and let's get started setting up this tree. Okay, so once I had all of the toys picked up, the furniture rearranged, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the carpets for the first of like 5 times that I had to do it this day. If you have ever had a live tree before, you know the setup can be pretty messy with all of those pine needles, but it is 1000% worth it. This literally is my favorite tradition that our family keeps in Christmas time. I look forward to it every year, so it's totally worth the extra effort for me. But the setup is messy, so because of that, we're just going to go ahead and snap to bring the tree in, get it all set up in the tree base, and then I will cut off the netting. We're also going to trim all of the dead branches and any of the branches that hang over the outlet where we plug the lights into, just to reduce the fire hazard as much as we can. That's within our control. And then we will get all of the ornaments out. Derek will string the lights on the tree and I will set up the ornaments for us to start decorating it, which is always the most fun part, besides I think being at the farm and picking out the tree itself.
I'm talking about these dead ones right here. You see them? Mm-hmm. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Is there a dead one right there?
What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Who angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? While lies he in such mean estate, where rocks and ass are feeding? Good Christian fare for sinners here, the silent word is pleading. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste to bring him loud, the babe, the Son of Mary. What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh, compassing King to own him. The King of Kings salvation brings, let loving hearts enthrone him. Nails, spiritual piercing through, the cross was born for me, for you. Hail, the Word made flesh, the babe, the Son of Mary. Raise the song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
So this is our collection of ornaments, and I love them so much. I know they are a Mod Podge of like personalized ones, handmade crafty ornaments, and then also special interests for us as individuals, but also as a family. But it is just so special to me. I love this more than any professional decorated tree that you could ever find. There's just something so special about having this family tree with all of the family ornaments that it has taken a lifetime for us to curate, or that it will take a lifetime, because we do add to it every single year. So my kids do put them all on the tree for us, and I don't film them for YouTube, so I don't have footage of that, but I did want to show you how everything turned out once they had hung them all up. It is so cute and sweet, and it means so much to our family, and I hope that you guys enjoy sharing this with us as well. We did have one empty spot for our family ornament for this year, and this little reindeer one is the one that we picked out at the mall. I will personalize it, I just didn't have the right kind of Sharpie, but for now I'm just going to hang it up. Derek's going to turn on the lights, and then he's going to set up the train underneath of our tree. This is the first year that we have a train, and I just love it so much. I am going to share some clips of it with you guys, and I hope it brings you as much joy as it brings to me.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah.
So this is how our Christmas tree turned out, and I am totally in love with it. Derek keeps saying that it looks like a little Hershey kiss, and he's not wrong. That's definitely the shape there, but it just fits perfectly in this corner of the room, just nestled in, and it is so nice at night to cozy up on the couch, turn on our favorite Christmas movies, have some hot cocoa, and just have our tree in the background. There really is no better feeling. But anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one.